Oh my God, these tariffs are crazy. Well, what are we gonna do? Well, I'll tell you what you need to do. If you have cash on hand right now, you need to be buying as much as possible. And if the stocks drop tomorrow, you need to buy even more. And if they drop the next day, you need to buy even more. I'm serious. If you have cash to spare right now, you need to be buying this market down as much as possible. All right? Because we are sitting on a golden buying opportunity. A golden buying opportunity. And it's like I always say, you make money not when you sell, but when you buy. And now is the time to buy. Now, look, I don't know if I'm giving you the right advice or not, because remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I just sell commercial real estate. All right. Although I was the guy who told you to buy HIMS when it was sitting at like $6 a share. Hope you listened to me on that. But anyhow, I don't know how all this is going to play out. But here's what I think. I think what's going to happen is I think you're going to see many of these countries start to step up, and we're going to renegotiate many of these trade deals, and we're going to lower our tariffs substantially on our exports. And that's going to expand our markets for many of our companies. Simultaneously, I think you're also going to see this tax bill get signed and get passed. And once those tax cuts take effect, in conjunction with these lower tariffs that we've negotiated, that could just be a recipe for a stock market that could just go through the roof. I'm serious. Now look, again, I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but I'm very optimistic that this is the right plan. Now, I am very pessimistic about one thing, and I've said this many, many times. If there's anything that could crash our market, the one thing I'm most worried about are interest rates. I have been preaching this for years now. We are sitting on over $1 trillion in commercial real estate loans set to mature over the next year or two. And if rates don't come down, we could watch many properties go underwater and many investors get wiped out because they cannot refi at these rates. All right, the deals just don't pencil, people. Okay. And look, I know I sound crazy, but if this happens, this could send shockwaves throughout our economy. And don't even get me started about the credit card debt bubble. That's a whole nother conversation. So yeah, I'm a little bit more worried about interest rates than tariffs.